Neon veins and a fractured sky. You said you'd fix it, just one more lie. Chrome halos flicker in your eyes, like you already said goodbye. They called you hope, they called you cure. A broken system made you their war. Every single burn in your name, every cure just feeds the flame. And I watched you fade through the static and the noise. Just another ghost in a city without a voice. Oh, songbird, you were never meant to stay. Just a spark in the grid they were trying to cage. Every dream you touched turned into code and pain. Now you're slipping through my hands like corrupt the rain. Black wall whispers in your mind, something ancient, undefined. You reached too far, you flew too close. Now you're more machine than ghost. They promised freedom, sold you chains, wrapped in wires, dressed as grace. Every heartbeat out of sync. Tell me, do you even think, or are you just echoes of who you were before? Trapped between the signal and an endless war. Oh, songbird, you were never meant to stay. Just a ghost in the code they were bound to erase. Every truth you held turned to silence and ash. Now you're lost in the system, just a flicker, a crash. And I'd pull you back if I knew where you'd gone, but the line went dead somewhere deep in the storm. All that's left is a voice breaking up in the dark, like a dying transmission that won't restart. Was it worth it? The pain, the climb, trading your soul for borrowed time. You said just trust me, I'll make it through. But the city always takes its due. That never got to be. Oh, songbird, you were never meant to win. Just a war they wrote you into within. Every light you chase now flickers and dies, and I'm left here hearing your last goodbye. Still remembers her.